Oh my God, did you see that one? That was huge. That went
Yep.
far. Did you see that, Grant? Grant, you're missing all them jumping right here. Grant, don't do that. Somebody's gonna fall and hurt themselves. They're gonna fall in the water. Not real sturdy bridge. It's like 2 logs across here with a board on it.
There's a good view from right here. What? Here, Carter, I'll get down to enough room. Yeah, Carter, you want to look there? Look up there. Dad, what kind of shark was in it?
Hey Mark, let's do a picture of Grant on one rock, Carter on one, and Mason on one, and where they're kind of separated.
I'll be in the middle.
Mason, no, you